Welcome to the Valisimo online sewing tutorial class, the fashion training app where you can learn to create lovely clothes from scratch. Follow these simple steps to use the app. First, install the app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch the app and log in with your Facebook profile details. On the app homepage, select the fashion menu option. Select either beginner, intermediate, or advanced level. Choose the tutorial video you prefer. Scroll through and choose from the many different videos available. How to pay for your video. Open the video and choose from the two payment options. The Naira payments if you have a Nigerian Naira card, or the PayPal option for international payments. Enter your details and complete your payment. You can also pay directly to the Valisimo bank account and then contact us on the WhatsApp number +234 802 332 6842. Send us a proof of your payment. How to view the videos. Go to the Saved menu section and click on your purchased training. Then click on the download button. When your video is downloaded, you can watch it at any time you like, even without internet connection. Pay for as many videos as you like. So go ahead now and download the Valisimo online tutorial class.